If you are too curious to check out deleted messages sent by your friend, girlfriend or colleague, then in this video I am going to tell you the secret method which you can use to read those deleted messages without any app. To recover deleted messages, we will use Android's inbuilt feature. So let's check out how to do this. First of all, open your phone settings, go to notifications, go to advanced settings and click on notification history. Here you have to turn on this notification history. Now let me show you how this will work. Now I am going to send one message from one of my number to my other number. So I am giving it a name, that is first message. This message has been sent and delivered on my other mobile. Now what I am going to do, I am going to delete this message and delete for everyone. Now this message has been deleted. Now I am going to check it on my other number that whether this message has been deleted or not. Now you can see the message has been deleted, but we can check this message. So I'm going to open the settings again, going to click on notifications, advanced settings and notification history. Here you can see it is showing WhatsApp first message. So this is the message which is actually deleted from WhatsApp. You can see it has been deleted from WhatsApp, but it is available in notification history. So in this way you can recover the deleted messages sent by anyone.